Number 13. Which of the following substances in shampoo helps in producing lather? A. Sodium lauryl sulfate. B. Glycerin. C. Calcium carbonate. D. Sodium chloride. Number 14. Soap works mainly because it contains compounds that are A. Preservatives, B. Antioxidants, C. Surfactants, D. Vitamins. Number 15. Which compound in baking powder reacts with acids to produce carbon dioxide gas for rising? A. Sodium chloride. B. Sodium bicarbonate. C. Calcium carbonate. D. Citric acid. Number 16. Toothpaste sometimes contains sorbitol. What is its main function? A. Sweetener and humectant. B. Foaming agent. C. Whitening agent. D. Preservative. Number 17. Sodium hypochlorite in bleach is classified as A or an A element, B compound, C mixture, D solution. Number 18. Which ingredient is most responsible for the fragrance in shampoos and soaps? A. Surfactants. B. Preservatives. C. Perfume oils or aromatic compounds. D. Abrasives. Number 19. In toothpaste, calcium carbonate is included to A. Strengthen enamel. B. Act as an abrasive to clean teeth. C. Provide fragrance. D. Act as a foaming agent. Number 20. A product label lists sodium chloride as an ingredient. This substance is classified as A. Mixture, B. Compound, C. Element, D. Solution. The answer key for chemistry lesson Roman numeral number 2, identifying elements and compounds in everyday household products, is as follows. Number 1, B, sodium hypochlorite. This is an active disinfecting ingredient in bleach. Number 2, C, foaming and cleansing agent. Sodium lauryl sulfate is a surfactant. Number 3, B, leavening agent. Sodium bicarbonate releases carbon dioxide, helping cakes rise. Number 4, A, strengthen tooth enamel. Fluoride prevents tooth decay and cavities. Number 5, B, calcium carbonate acts as a mild abrasive in toothpaste. Number 6, B, provide moisture and prevent dryness. Glycerin is a humectant. Number 7, C, pH stabilizer. Citric acid balances acidity in shampoos. Number 8, A, fluoride, an element used in compounds like sodium fluoride for dental care. Number 9, C, compound. Sodium bicarbonate is a chemical compound. Number 10, B, break down protein stains. Enzymes like protease target protein-based stains. Number 11, B, sodium fluoride, a common cavity compound in toothpaste? Number 12. A. Kills bacteria through oxidation. Hydrogen peroxide is an oxidizing agent. Number 13. A. Sodium lauryl sulfate provides foam lather in shampoos. Number 14. C. Surfactants, the key cleaning agents in soap. Number 15. B. Sodium bicarbonate reacts with acid salts in baking powder to produce carbon dioxide. Number 16. A. Sweetener and humectant. Sorbitol keeps toothpaste moist and slightly sweet. Number 17. B. Compound. Sodium hypochlorite is a chemical compound. 18. C. Perfume oils or aromatic compounds provide fragrance in personal care products. Number 19. B. Act as an abrasive to clean teeth. Calcium carbonate scrubs plaque. Number 20. B. Compound. Sodium chloride is a compound table salt. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. Bye-bye. See you in our next lesson. Thank you, everyone.